Welcome back to our journey of Bartica Guyana. On the second part of exploring Bartica, we bring you on a wild ride through the jungles of Guyana to a private farm and luxury villa. Buckle up, because it's going to be a bumpy one. As a health-conscious individual and a man who grew up with a green thumb, being in Guyana is heaven to me. The soil here is extremely fertile and the vegetation that Guyana provides is top-tier quality. A dream of mine is to have a farm that myself and my family can eat from, knowing that it's organic and grown with love. After this experience, I may have to make it happen here in Guyana. I had the privilege to connect with a hard-working entrepreneur who has built a farm from ground up here in Bartica, and allowed me to explore the realities of what was once a dream of his. I hope you have the energy to explore and the hunger to eat, because there is plenty of land and it's full of food. Take a look at the view.
Jenny bebé.
No, mira si Jenny bebé.